Look at this batch here. Seems a bit off color, doesn't it?
These new machines are really increasing our output.
Agreed. The precision is remarkable.
को एक्सकोती की गाती इससे देशनान कई तो जैसा बगजन काती है दो से भी कहीं इनके चार हो रही है ये बकअप एक देश
The consistency looks good on monitor 3.
Agreed. Let's keep an eye on the viscosity.
Stung Mario Butchip Streamline, Nin Tommy Humbak Meluai, Save you for our Silkanus through Chinknator Gats and Silpa.
This is where India's currency truly begins to take shape. Precision steel plates carry the intricate designs that will appear on every rupee note.
The base color application looks good on this batch.
Ink levels are stable. All systems nominal.
Every Indian rupee carries a unique language panel representing the linguistic diversity of the nation. 17 languages appear on each banknote. Each Indian banknote contains advanced security elements designed to prevent counterfeiting and ensure authenticity.
The clarity is excellent on this batch.
Agreed. The new system is performing well.
Ultimate और ये गेसे की तरफ में गए एक बब नंबल नहीं करीब सकते हैं जो कि आप अस्कूल गेस ने तो और पड़ जाते हैं और 200 से बाद गुलचैन का देगी से
Before leaving the factory, every rupee note undergoes multiple layers of inspection using advanced security technology.
Before leaving the factory, every rupee note undergoes multiple layers of inspection using advanced security technology. The printing alignment on this batch seems slightly off.
Let's flag these for a full recalibration.
Looks like we have a slight deviation on line 3's print registration.
I see it. Let's flag that batch for a manual check.
After printing and inspection, the large sheets of Indian rupee banknotes move to the cutting section, where they are separated with extreme precision. Before packaging, every bundle of Indian rupee banknotes is counted automatically to ensure perfect accuracy. After counting and bundling, Indian rupee banknotes enter the packaging stage, where they are prepared for secure storage and distribution.
Are all these batches for the National Reserve?
Yes, cross-check the serials one last time.
Mexicans-Hiper ist lasser than T-Maus und Havels. Desanhi udente nodisiga. Anjuthi de second.
Once packaged, the Indian rupee banknotes are transported to highly secure vaults before being distributed across the country.
Kasky kapke चिंचित बर्फ तौरा पे बने रहते हैं कारिसोज ऐसे रकनी से इन शकी कार के है कांसा भी है ड्राइंग फ्रॉम से दिन अपनी गया आगे तो बगरी है दे मूवी पासन का और सन बहुदे घी बादे दाती है बरहसे दाव भागाव ले जाता आते